Kilala niyo na to eh. So, wala naman akong ibang choice para i-guess dito. Maxinne! Maxinne! So for this vlog, you can see we have makeup stuff over here. And today, I have a very special guest. Bago ko ipakilala sa inyo yung first guesting niya dito sa vlog ko. Gusto ko sanang ipakita lang naman kung gaano ako nag-effort sa aking setup. Look at that! Oh my God! Just wait ha. There's me. Hi! I super love this mirror. And my plants. Look at this. Guys, ako yung gumawa ng lamp ha. Gusto ko lang sabihin. Yung mga previous vlog ko is very tita, very barrio. Naisip ko naman today na mag-invite ng millennial. Actually, hindi na siya millennial. I think belong na siya sa mga Gen X. Gen X. Kilala niyo na to eh. Kayo, huwag na kayong mag-ano. So, wala naman akong ibang choice para i-guess dito. Maxinne! Naka-jacket siya. Okay, sige. Mamaya na kami mag-aura. Okay. Natin itong segment na to as makeup and dress up. So, ako, may make-upan ko si Maxinne. And then, siya naman,
bibilisan ko siya.
Yes. Ano bang makeup tag mo, girl?
Nadine.
Nadine Lustre. Yung mga previous vlog ko kasi, super tita. Napapanood mo naman, di ba? So, this time, gusto ko naman i-share sa inyo na hindi naman talaga ako tita, okay? Ako ay isang ultra tita. Tita ng lahat. Tita ng lahat. Ayun, naisipan ko gumawa ng video with my niece para naman i-share sa inyo a different side of us. I know some of you guys are already, want to party, gumimik, makipag-date, kaso hindi pa makalabas-labas ng bahay. So, this video, let's try to make a home DIY fashion. Okay. Kung alam nyo na makeup artist ako for 5 years. Girl, 5 years! More than 5 years na ako makeup artist in Manila. Lahat ng events, wedding, debut, commercial, or lahat ng pwedeng i-racket sa pag-makeup, i-racket ko na guys. And today, ang tagal kong hindi nag-makeup because of quarantine.
Yeah, so iti-challenge natin yung galing niya ulit.
So let's start! Ang mauuna siguro is ikaw muna. May make-upan ko muna siya and then tingnan natin yung galing niya sa pag-shopping at pag-style sa akin. Kasi guys, sa totoo lang, sobrang outdated na yung... Diba outdated? Naka-picture. Outdated na yung mga damit ko. So, let's see kung ano yung touch of my. So, for this makeup look, guys, hindi ako magaling mag-tutorial. Nakita niyo naman yung first video. Oh my gosh! That was 7 years ago. Pa-bebe!
Oh my god, guys, I lost a clip of a video where I'm doing Maxinne's look. We were doing a live shooting using my phone and my camera, Fujifilm X810. And I'm not aware na every 15 minutes nagsha-shutdown siya. Nakakaloka. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
So, I need to change my camera dahil sobrang hirap gamitin ni Fujifilm. We're almost done, guys. As you can see. Ta-da! As you can see. Ta-da! Ang kulang na lang is blush on, tsaka lipstick. So, So for the blush on, I'll be using, syempre, yung mga morena-friendly colors. Morena-friendly colors. Pinkish na medyo orangey. So, yun na lang. Also the cheeks. Girl, Nadine. Nadine, kabahan ka na. Pia words back, kabahan ka na din. Usually kapag photoshoot, talagang putok na putok yung blush. So kailangan dito siya sa camera lens. Dahil minsan kinakain kasi ng sinag ng araw or ng liwanag. Parang nakita mo lang si Crush, then blush.
Right?
Ay, si Crush nag-blush. Okay. So, what's next? Lipstick. Okay. So, lipstick na tayo, guys. I'll be using MAC liner for the lining and Bobbi Brown. So, I choose the nude color kasi medyo shocking na yung color ng ano niya, ng dress niya. So, we have to tone it down with a nude color. So, unahin muna natin, guys, yung liner. Kasi Maxine's lips is really small. A Barbie. So, kailangan medyo i-intensify natin.
So since Nadine loves to emphasize her fuller and luscious lips in most of her IG posts, I'm gonna be using this lip liner just to line Maxine's lips. Moving on with the lipstick, I am using right here my makeup spatula to pick up the color or the lip color and apply it directly to Maxine's lips using my lip brush and my magical pinky. I know this is sounded like a tutorial, but yeah, whatever. So since Nadine has a glowing morena skin, I'm adding more bronzers to finish the look.
Yeah, we're done with her look. So this is the final look, guys. Okay, medyo mainit lang dito, but ching! Ganyan, sobrang pretty niya. Si Nadine. Nadine! Oh, fuck, yes. Nadine. And on this side, hi, Poopy! Hi, say hi to the camera, baby. Sa mga dress na choices niya na ipasuot sa akin. Just wait. Tingnan natin kung ano yung pwedeng sa akin. Dress. It's a black dress. And malaki talaga si Maxinne. I mean, malaki lahat sa kanya, guys. Malaki lahat. At ako, napaka-petit ko, as you all know. So, pinili ko na lang yung pwede kong pakinabangan. Actually, ito.
Nabili ako sa Shopee.
Guys, pinili niya to sa Shopee, tapos di niya na masuot kasi nga, lumalabas na yung mga bugels niya.
Oh, girl.
Pero sobrang cute nito, as in, pwede mo siyang isuot for gaming, ganun, birthday. Ang ganda nito kasi pwede tayong girl, pwede tayong mag-twinning sa colors. So, ito, and this one, yung shorts niya hindi talaga kakasya sa akin. So, I'm choosing this one. Gagawin ko na lang siyang palta na pencil. So, this is the final look, guys. Yan, mas maayos na yung buhok ko. Here. So, ito yung top niya na binigay niya sa akin na hindi sa kanya magkasya. And I'm wearing her dress as well na this is supposed to be dress pero Ayan, tinali ko na lang siya dito sa, sa waistline. I'm wearing my own shoes na hindi ko na masyado nagagamit dahil, yeah, ito yung ginagamit ko pang shoes from Manila. It's from the brand Parisian. Ginagamit ko to lagi pag nag-OOTD ako kapag may makeup event. And, yeah.